If you would like to use Google Slides, you can do that, but you must keep it to just one slide, and you want to design that slide like a poster, and you would maybe choose to use Google Slides instead of Google Drawing if you want to add animation. So I'm going to show you how to do that today so you can add movement. You would go to your Drive and click the New button, go to Google Slides, and here's your first slide. I'm gonna I'm gonna title it first. So we're gonna call this one Animal Abuse PSA. Remember, you're only gonna keep it to one slide because your classmates don't wanna have to click through and read a whole bunch of slides. They just want to come to one. And let's make this blue. And we'll change this to Animal Abuse in the United States. So there's your title. Can center it coming here and choosing the center alignment, and we'll maybe make it a little bit bigger so it stands out. Oops, that didn't work. Just kidding. That's kind of large. Just right. Okay, and then what you're going to do, I'm going to show you how to do the animation. So say that we want this picture. I'm going to copy the image. We're going to go to our slide and paste it in. But then what you can do while the picture is selected, you know it's selected because it has these little boxes around it, you go to Insert and then come down here where it says Animation. Once you've done that, the box will open up. So it's automatically on Fade In, so that when somebody would click on your poster, the picture will fade in. But you can choose all different options. You can choose fade out, that it'll appear. You can make it disappear. You can make them fly in, zoom in from different directions, all kinds of different stuff. But we're going to have it fade in. We'll leave it like that. And then you have the option for when it will happen. So you could say on click, and then you would have to have your classmates click, the mouse on or the trackpad on your Chromebook for each new thing to happen. I'm not sure if after previous, I think those would go in order. So maybe your first one's on click and then the other ones just keep going. So we'll try that. But let's leave it as on click for now. And then I'm going to add another one in. Let's add this little dog. We're going to copy that image and paste it in. There we go. Let's try this one. We're going to add animation to this one, but instead of having on click, let's have it fly in from the right, and we'll have it come after previous. So that means it should happen after this one occurs. And then you can push play to see how it will work. So there's our slide. I'm going to do a click, and that one fades in, and then the next one comes in by itself. So if you want your classmates to only have to click once, you're going to make your first animation, the fade in, happen on the click, but then the other animations will be after previous. So they just keep playing as your classmates look at the information. And you can make the text animated as well. It doesn't just have to be the pictures, but it can be a great way to add movement, which is one of our modes of communication, and that would make your presentation more interesting, your PSA. So if you would like to include movement, you can design a poster using Google Slides, but you must make sure it's all on one slide and make the different information animated so that your classmates do not have to click through and read a whole Google slide presentation. One slide, add animation, adds movement.